PrimeDrive Auto Repairs had been standing on the corner of Fenwick Industrial Estate for 15 years. 15 years of oil-stained concrete, of engines turned over in the early morning cold, of a family business built not on grand ambition, but on the quiet, grinding accumulation of loyal customers and long days. To anyone passing by on a busy Tuesday, it looked like any other workshop. Roller shutters half open to the gray morning light, the smell of exhaust and solvent drifting out onto the forecourt, the distant clatter of a ratchet working somewhere deep inside. It looked, to the casual eye, entirely ordinary. That is the most dangerous thing a workplace can be. The business had grown gradually, the way most small enterprises do, not through planning, but through necessity. One mechanic became 3, 3 became 6, 6 became 10. 2 hydraulic lifts were added to keep pace with demand. A third bay was pressed into service. 2 apprentices arrived fresh from college, wide-eyed and uncertain, and were told, in the way that workshops have always told their youngest workers, to watch and learn. No formal induction, no structured training plan, just the example of those who had been there longer, doing what they had always done, in the way they had always done it. The knowledge passed down at PrimeDrive was not written in any manual. It lived in habits, and some of those habits had been quietly rotting for years. Raymond Holt had been the lead mechanic at PrimeDrive for 11 of those 15 years. He was not a careless man. He was, by most measures, a capable one, experienced, efficient, and genuinely committed to keeping the workshop running. But Raymond carried with him the particular confidence of a man who has never been formally taught the limits of his own knowledge. He managed health and safety the way he managed most things at PrimeDrive, reactively, instinctively, and alone.